Welcome to the AGORACOM Investor Relations Feature Webcast, where our goal is to bring incredible, undiscovered small-cap companies together with vast retail audiences. On this webcast, we'll be featuring Torch River Resources. Torch River Resources is a company engaged in mineral exploration in British Columbia, Canada. The company's current focus is on the Nahmint property, which is a multi-metal target, as well as the Mount Copeland property, which is primarily molybdenum. Torch River Resources trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol TCR. The Mount Copeland property is located 25 kilometers northwest of Revelstoke, BC. The property hosted underground excavation between 1970 and 1973 that produced over 169,000 tons and recovered 2.6 million pounds of moly. When the Copeland mine went into production in 1970, development work like diamond drilling, mapping, sampling, etc., indicated there were over 163,000 tons at 1.82% MOS2. The main focus of diamond drilling in 2008 was to test extensions of the 6950 glacier zone, where production of molybdenite-bearing ore took place in the early 70s. The Mount Copeland property can be best described as a low-tonnage, high-grade moly target that was historically mined. The Mount Copeland property produced exceptional grades as high as 3% moly. The compilation of drill data for Mount Copeland COP08, hole 8 and 9, suggests there are two zones of moly-bearing mineralization. The upper moly zones occur at 2,000-meter elevation, and the lower zone occurs about 30 to 40 meters below. The moly-bearing zones are accompanied by wider zones of hydrothermal alteration, suggesting there is potential for additional moly-bearing zones nearby. Torch River Resources recently announced that it has signed an option agreement for which the company may earn a 75% interest in the Nahmint property, located in the Alberni Mining District on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. The property hosted three past producers. The Monitor mine operated from 1900 to 1902 and from 1916 to 1918 and produced over 1,200 tons, averaging 9.09% copper, 0.05 grams per ton gold, and 28.8 grams per ton of silver. The Sunshine Mine shipped 5 tons in 1916, averaging 17.4% copper and 43.6 grams per ton of silver. The Three J's mine operated from 1898 to 1902 and produced almost 2,000 tons of direct shipping ore, averaging 7.5% copper, 0.97 grams per ton gold, and 38 grams per ton silver, with several stockpiles of mineralized material remaining on surface. The Three J's mine was developed over a vertical distance of 750 feet and a horizontal distance of 1,500 feet on 3 separate levels. Torch River Resources currently trades at 5.5 cents per share. With just over 49 million shares outstanding, that gives Torch River Resources a conservative market cap of approximately $2.7 million. And that concludes our AGORACOM Investor Relations Feature Webcast. To get more information on Torch River, you can visit their website at www.torchriver.ca, or you can visit the Torch River IR Hub right here on AGORACOM. We thank you for listening and hope you join us again next time when we bring you the next great undiscovered small cap company.